हमारा है।
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगा,
नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा,
पुलिस राज नहीं चलेगा,
नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा।
Survey by the Revenue Department has not yet been done to demarcate the 400 acres that should go to the government, even though legally they own the land. The demarcation has not happened. Legally, they are not allowed to bring JCBs inside. They are not allowed to clear any land right now because there is no authoritative word on which land belongs to them. So Revanth Reddy has chosen to obscure, violate every legality in order to take this land away from us. We came here. We tried to intervene in the process. A lot of our friends have been brutally manhandled, have been brutalized, and they have been taken away from here. Right now, the need of the hour is to create a noise around this issue. If we stand here and sit and watch the GCB Act, we talk to the registrar, being the coward that he is, he simply told us that the government has instructed him to not let any student come to the helipad area. If we come, they will detain us. He has very willfully, very gladly accepted that instruction. Even though it is a completely illegal instruction, this government is using the state, its apparatuses, its instruments, its brute force to violate this law, violate the rules right now. So if we stand here and if we go again, they will detain us again. If we stand here, just watch the GCB's Act, nothing will come of it. We have to get in touch with the media people. We have to get in touch with the lawyers. We have to get in touch with courts. And we have to make sure that through other means, a pressure is put on the government. We have to amplify this, what is happening right now. In order to do that, we have to walk to the main gate. We have to confront the admin once again. We have to talk to the media people and make sure that what is happening inside is communicated to them. They are constantly calling us. They constantly want to cover this. They want to talk to us and amplify this voice and amplify the issue that is going on right now. It is very vital that we go to the main gate right now, talk to them and find other means, utilize our other channels to put a pressure on the government right now to withdraw from here. By standing here, we will not achieve that. That is why we have decided that we'll march to the main gate, we'll gather there, we'll peacefully sit there and protest and talk to the media people and make sure that the pressure is put, then make sure that we reach the government through opposition, through courts or through lawyers and get them to withdraw their JCBs from here, get them to walk out of there, take the polices out of here. So in
मोबाइल लेके जाएगा, मोबाइल मेरा, मोबाइल लेके
What are you doing here? This is a canvas thing. What are you doing here? Have some shame. Have some shame, sir. ऐसे पकड़ के लग रहा है मेरा हाथ मैं कुछ नहीं
Everyone, today we reached the East Campus with getting the information that police was barricading the entire East Campus and JCBs were working to destroy the forest over there, and we have reached there and we just wanted to know what is going on, but the police have forcibly taken us away, and this is not a detention also. They are not telling where they are taking us. There are 6 students here in this vehicle and they are taking us away, and they are not even telling us to where they are taking us. They have already crossed the Gachibowli PS. This is clear kidnapping from the police. The students are here.
There are 3 girls in this.
And there are 3 girls in this vehicle. They have forcibly taken us. They have touched the girls without consent, and this cannot be tolerated. I request everyone to reach East Campus as soon as possible.
वो लोग जबरदस्ती हमको उठा के लेके जा रहे हैं। हम कैंपस में आए थे पूछने के लिए कि क्यों यहाँ बुलडोजर आया है। खड़े हुए थे, सवाल कर रहे थे, कुछ नहीं किए थे। और मैं तो वापस में जाने लगी थी। मुझे उठा के, मुझे बहुत गंदी गंदी जगह पे छू के, मेरे बिना परमिशन में मुझे उठा के इस ट्रक में डाल दिया गया है और मेरा फोन भी छीन लिए। मुझे इतना जगह पे छुआ है, मैं बोल भी नहीं सकती। मैं स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी को अपील करती हूँ, बहुत बड़ी संख्या में इकट्ठे हुई है, ये मोबिलाइजेशन बहुत जरूरी है। इनको भी दिखाना पड़ेगा कि छात्रों की एकता कितनी जरूरी है।
अरे इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।